Hello, dear students. Today we will try to understand the concept of these exponents. Exponent means when a power of a number is a negative integer, that is called exponent, negative exponent. So let us understand this concept by this example. 2 raised power 5 मैंने यहाँ लिखा है, that is equal to 2 is multiplied by 5 times. So this is 32. That means this power 5 indicates how many times the base number is multiplied. That means 2 is multiplied. इसी तरह हम यहाँ देखेंगे 2 रेज पावर -5 क्या है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है that 2 is multiplied by -5 times. So this is wrong. अब हमें यही देखना है कि दिस नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट क्या होता है. नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट हमेशा होता है, ये एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर होता है व्हेन द पावर ऑफ ए नंबर इज नेगेटिव इंटीजर एंड वी जनरलाइज दिस a raised power minus m, that is where m is a negative integer. That means this is exponent. The exponent of this a is minus m. Now dear students, we understand this concept of negative exponents by this example. 3 cube. 3 cube मतलब क्या होता है. 3 is multiplied by 3 times, that is 27. इसी तरह 3 स्क्वायर क्या होता है. 3 is multiplied by 2 times, that is 9 and also equals to 27 by 3. That means this number 27 previous number is divided by the base number 3. इसी तरह हम इस 9 को, that means 3 1 raised power 1 is equal to 3. That means this previous number 9 is divided by the base number, another base number 3. सो दिस 3 रेज पावर 0, एक पैटर्न यहाँ पे बनता है. 3 0 इज इक्वल टू 1. सो दिस 27 9 3 1. अब ये 1 पे पहुँचा. अब हम देखेंगे 3 रेज्ड पावर -1 क्या होता है. 3 रेज्ड पावर -1 क्या होता है. दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 डिवाइड दिस प्रीवियस नंबर 1 एंड डिवाइडेड बाई अनदर बेस, दैट इज 3. सिमिलरली 3 रेज पावर -2 क्या होता है. 1 divided by 3 this previous number and again divided by the base number 3, that is equal to 3 square, and it equals to 1 divided by 9. 1 divided by 9. So we generalize this a raised power minus m when the power of a base is negative integer, that means minus. It always equals to the 1 divided by a, that means the reciprocal of this number. So the negative exponent represents the reciprocal of the number, that means 1 divided by a m square, where m is a negative positive integer and a is a non-zero integer. a तो non-zero integer होना लाजमी है. That is a raised power m is a reciprocal of a raised power m. So the negative exponent of a number is the reciprocal of that number. So 5 raised power -4 क्या होता है. The reciprocal of this 5 is 1 divided by 5 raised power 4. अब ये माइनस एक्सपोनेंट से रिसिप्रोकल बनता है दिस बेस नंबर 1 डिवाइड बाई 5. इसी तरह 1 डिवाइड बाई 5 4 टाइम्स होता है. दैट इज 1 इज इक्वल टू 5 रेज पावर -4 इज इक्वल टू 1 डिवाइड बाई 625. सो वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंसेप्ट बाय this generalization. A raised power minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised power m. So the negative exponent of a number is the multiplicative inverse of that, becomes the multiplicative inverse of that number. Thank you. Have a nice day.